What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Grabbing some agua for the boy Sammy. He's over right now in his E92. We just put the avant-gardes on it. We're gonna get the X3 up on the lift today, see what's going on with it, pull the wheels off, check out what's going on underneath. We're gonna plug the Carly in, see how many air codes we can pull off today, and yeah, get some parts ordered for it. Before we get working, Sammy's got to rip the pit bike. Turn the fuel switch on that bad Larry. Yeah, there you go. Ripper!
Time for Doggy to rip it. Dude, that thing is lit. I didn't know you could rip it that hard.
You can go over another rip. Well, that doesn't look right. Driver side, passenger side. Yeah, Sam, why don't you give us a little shake of the strut there? Yeah, that looks healthy. Yeah, your strut's not really supposed to be at an angle like that. That is absolutely blown. So front struts are a must for sure. I think we can reuse these springs, no problem though. We're gonna keep looking under the car and get the Carly plugged in. Definitely time for a new set of brake rotors and pads. These things are very worn out. Easy way to tell that your rotors are worn out, if you feel up like this and there's a big lip on the outside of the rotor, that means you've worn down the rotor significantly. And the outside lip might not be as big as the inside lip because a lot of people have their rotors resurfaced. Feel the inside lip as well. If it's really tall, it's probably time for new rotors. Yeah, new rear struts along with front struts for sure. They shouldn't be very expensive, probably like 100, 150 bucks for a pair, but I've never seen struts just so abused. Luckily, we still got good springs. This frame section doesn't look terribly great. I'm not gonna lie. Probably gonna want to scrape that down to bare metal and repaint it. But in terms of the rest of the frame and under the car, for a 2005, this is looking quite clean. Let's hop on the creepers real quick, Sam.
Nice.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's pretty fucking rusted. Holy. Yeah, to be honest, this is a bit more than I thought there was. Let's keep moving here. Fair amount of rust. Up here is pretty clean.
This is all, oh my, oil.
Oh yeah, we got some oil leakage here. Heavy oil leakage.
Oh my fucking.
I'm assuming this is a bad gasket. The previous owner probably was not purchasing a new gasket and bolt every time he did the oil change, which you should do periodically. I am planning to put a new tranny in this car, so we'll check out the seals. But yeah, this is a fair amount of corrosion, I'm not gonna lie. The front...
Project car.
Huh?
It's project car.
Yeah, we got hella zip ties everywhere. Like, what?
Dude, get
Why?
Look in here. Look in there, guys. Look at that.
Oh my.
That is filthy.
What? I did not know X3's had a full, it's not full size, but this is a decent spare. I mean, it's not inflated whatsoever, but rusted to hell. Sammy had a really good catch right here, so he spotted this little wire just loose hanging down. And as you can see, we still have the ABS wire, wheel speed sensor wire, and we have all four on all four corners, but I determined that this was the brake pad wear sensor, so we're gonna need a new one of those. I'll probably do all new sensors on all four corners just so I don't have any problems with that, because that's a common problem that'll throw up ABS dash lights. Anyways, we have a little surprise for y'all. Sammy and I are gonna throw my old 19-inch winter rims on the X3, see how they fit. And if you guys don't remember, I actually have these fairly custom wheel spacer adapters, because those new 19-inch wheels, they have a different pattern. They're 5x112, and the old pattern on the X3 is 5x120. So we're gonna be adding on spacers. I think these are 15s, and I have 20s for the rear. Yeah, these are 20s for the rear. So we're gonna have about an inch of poke here, but see how it works out. So we're basically bolting on these adapters with the stock lugs, and then we're gonna put 19s on with lug nuts. So kind of cool that we have a stud type conversion here. Should make putting on the wheels a lot easier. All right, so this is looking actually fire. Look at that. Looks like a totally different car right now. Only problem I'm seeing right now is rear fitment. Because I had a 15 millimeter in the front and a 20 millimeter in the rear on my F30. This is looking really, really fat in the rear. I don't know if it's gonna clear. I might have to order myself a pair of 15s for the rear, because the front's looking perfect. But rear, I don't know. That's a lot of poke. What do we think, Sam?
I don't know, slaughter and test her out.
Ooh, maybe I don't need to get the rear spacer smaller. Damn. Oh no. This wheel is like negative camber 5,000. Oh my god. That's good lugs right there. Oh my god. All right, I'm gonna pull it out into the sunlight and we'll get a better look at it. I'm pretty stoked with how this looks. I'll show you the side in the sunlight here. It actually looks pretty sick. Really fitting for this car, good wheel size. I can definitely upsize the tire a little bit and give myself a little bit more sidewall. Just because this is an SUV and all, I do want that little bit of forgiveness in the sidewall. I'll probably go up to like a 245, 55, maybe a 50. I believe these are, yeah, 245, 40. So I'll probably go up to a 50, and that should give me the sidewall I'm looking for. But it's, in terms of fitment, the poke looks really good. Now that it's on the ground, they're tucked in a little bit more. It's pretty much dead on flush with the side of the car, both sides. And then the front is tucked in just a little bit more, but it's also dead flush with the car. A little bit of poke. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think, Sammy?
Way better than the stock rims, that's for damn sure.
Yeah. All right, so it's a blazing hot 90-degree Saturday. We've been working all week, so time to clock out. I hope you guys have enjoyed this brief update on the X3 over here. These rims are looking sweet on the car. Honestly, not too much to replace. We have the struts, those sensors, probably new brakes, and clear some codes. Should be good to go. I am gonna have to look into a new transmission because the previous owner did say it was making some noises at high speed, at high RPM, getting on the highway. But overall, pretty hyped. Pretty happy with the outcome of the new wheels. I'm gonna order up the parts tonight, have them in probably end of the week, hopefully, and we'll get wrenching end of the week, get this puppy on the road. Hope you guys are excited about this little, I don't know, project we're working on. Project car. If you are, please go leave the like down below. Leave some video suggestions down below, what you wanna see me do to this car. Please subscribe for more BMW content. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time on JD Cars.